Are you looking to shrink your enlarged prostate? If so, the vitamins and minerals can help your body fight back. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus. It's essential for healthy bones, teeth, and muscle function. It also helps reduce inflammation by reducing the production of certain chemicals called prostaglandins, which can cause pain in the prostate gland. The recommended daily vitamin D intake is 400 international units for adults aged 50 to 70 with inadequate or insufficient calcium or vitamin D intake in their diet. People over 70 years old should be 600 U per day if they don't get enough sun exposure on their skin during the summer months, when it's possible to produce more vitamin D from sunlight instead of from diet alone. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is a water-soluble vitamin that's important for many processes in the body. For example, it helps the body make hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in red blood cells and helps with nerve function. Your immune system can also use vitamin B6 to fight infections by producing antibodies, proteins, to protect you from disease. Zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in many enzymes, which are proteins that act as catalysts to speed up chemical reactions. The active form of zinc in the body is called zinc ions, which may explain why it's so essential for prostate health. The amount of zinc you need depends on age and gender. However, most require around 15 milligrams daily. Zinc also helps prevent inflammation by reducing oxidative stress on your arteries, which can lead to heart disease or stroke. 1. Lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid found in tomatoes, watermelon, and other fruits and vegetables. It's been shown to help fight prostate cancer by reducing inflammation, stopping the growth of cancerous cells, and inhibiting the spread of prostate cancer cells in mice studies. Lycopene is also thought to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure, helping prevent strokes, and preventing bad cholesterol from building up in your arteries, LDL. It's essential for people with enlarged prostates to get enough lycopene because studies have shown that it helps support healthy prostate function, including normalizing hormone levels such as testosterone, which can improve sex drive and quality of life while lowering risk factors associated with erectile dysfunction or impotence. These include low libido, sexual desire disorder, LSD, erectile dysfunction, ED, premature ejaculation syndrome, PESS, ejaculatory dysfunction, ED, etc. According to Live Fit Healthy Life Bloggers Network website page entitled, Important Facts About Lycopene. Selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral necessary for the body to produce antioxidants and fight free radicals. Selenium also helps the body absorb vitamin E, which is found in seafood, whole grains, and mushrooms. Selenium can be found in the following: seafood, for example, salmon; whole grains, such as oatmeal; saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is a natural remedy for BPH. It's an extract from the fruit of the saw palmetto tree and has been used for centuries to treat the symptoms of enlarged prostate in men. Saw palmetto can help shrink an enlarged prostate, reduce inflammation, and help prevent further growth. Taking the right vitamins and minerals can help your body fight back if you have an enlarged prostate. Taking the right vitamins and minerals can help your body fight back if you have an enlarged prostate. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and maintain healthy levels of testosterone. Vitamin B6 helps with testosterone levels, as well as with iron absorption from food. Zinc is necessary for normal testicular function and testosterone production. Low levels can lead to lower sperm counts or infertility in men over 40 years old with enlarged prostates who are trying to conceive or are already pregnant. 1. It's also been shown that zinc deficiency causes hyperplasia in mice models, which may contribute to enlargement by driving excessive cell growth. 2. The mineral selenium also plays a vital role in prostate health. It serves as an antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals, thereby preventing inflammation that could lead to cancerous mutations. 3. Selenium has been shown effective at reducing inflammation associated with chronic diseases such as diabetes mellitus type 2, 4, heart disease, 5, and even multiple sclerosis. 6. Saw palmetto extract contains chemicals called sterols which act like estrogen blockers when taken orally, helping reduce symptoms associated with benign prostatic hypertrophy, such as frequent urination and burning sensation during urination due to decreasing blood flow through narrowed urethra channels resulting from enlargement caused by plaque buildup inside glands lining tube leading into the bladder where urine exits via opening located between two layers called mucosal folds located on the inner surface close towards the base where middle layer starts growing upwards towards roof forming dome shape while outside part stays flat until it reaches the top where point meets ceiling again creating conical shape. This process repeats itself every few days resulting eventually making entire organs smooth-sided instead having ridges sticking out like bumps sticking out at angles like spikes sticking out straight down. Conclusion. We hope you are now armed with the knowledge to make a difference in your health. With the right vitamins and minerals in your diet, you can fight back against an enlarged prostate and decrease its impact on your life.